the spices. Hello lovely viewers, it's Peace right here. So today I've come with a unique dish, just like you can see. So this is chicken breast. It's chicken breast that is prepared in a way more different way. So this sauce goes with almost anything. You can have it with posho, matoke, rice. It really goes well with rice, and then chapatis, and absolutely anything of your choice. So this sauce is so easy to make because you only need chicken breast and a few vegetables, and that's it. The thickness of the soup, the aroma that comes out of it is just out of this world. This is just so delicious. So please try it out. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. So let's dive into it. So right here I have some chicken breasts. Just take out the bones. So this chicken, I slaughtered it myself, but you can also use store-bought chicken breast. After taking out the bones, I'll go ahead and cut my chicken into small pieces, just like cubes, because I need very small pieces. So that's it. This is what we're going to cook. So right here we have our chicken. I'll marinate it with this Indomie spice. That's the chili. And this is the salt. And then I'll add some little cooking oil. I'll cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. So right there I put the saucepan. I'll add in some cooking oil. I'll then add in onions, slightly chopped. And then add in tomatoes, bell pepper and carrots, 3 garlic cloves, salt, curry powder, chili flakes. Give it a quick stir. And then I'll cover and let it cook. Our vegetables are ready. I'll take them off and let them cool. So I'll add in some water to rinse the saucepan a little. Then I'll add in some chives. And then a bunch of mint. I really needed an African grinder for this recipe, but I couldn't find one at the moment, so I had to go with the blender. So it's been 30 minutes already. I'll go ahead and put my chicken. Okay. So right now our chicken has turned golden brown. I'll put it aside. Then put another saucepan. I'll now add cooking oil. I'll then squeeze in tomato paste. I'll then pour in our blended vegetables. So that's how they look like after blending. I'll rinse out the blender and then pour in the remaining water. I'll now add in the spices. It's coriander and cumin seeds. Now that it's boiling, I'll put in the chicken. Our sauce is ready. Look at that. So that's how yummy our food looks like. This sauce is really delicious. You better try it. Thank you so much for watching. So kindly, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.